Good evening, everyone. Today I got a challenge. I am going to give answers of some interesting questions. Before giving the answer, I would like to introduce myself. Good evening, everyone. This is Ajay. I am doing MBA in Axar College, and I live at Bakshikatala. Basically, I am from Basti, and I am also getting job in real estate. So, okay, let's do what is the question which I am going to give answer. So first question
the question is written there. So the first question, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? अगर आपको दुनिया में कहीं भी जाना हो, so where would you like to go? कहाँ जाना चाहोगे? And what is the reason behind it?
If I get a chance to go anywhere in the world, I would like to go with the astronaut, because he is a very powerful person and he has wandered around the world, and he also teach you lots of things. If you get stuck in problem, and if you get stuck in some dangerous place, he has teach you and he helps you, and you can learn many things by him if you meet to him and if you are talking to him. So he is a very powerful person. That's why I want to go with them.
So do you believe in God?
Firstly, I'm not believe in God, but you know what I think about God. Most of the people they think about the God. God is like a human being, but God because they don't, and they worship of the idol. And so they think and they lots of do, or they spend all of things of God in a idol, in a Lord's temple. So but what is my opinion about God? The God is not any living things. God is a power and feeling energy. So like these things, all this it's God. I would say where all I have listened lots of things. Most of the people do worship of the idol, and they spend lots of the things. They create lots of temple. So it's I'm going to do other topic. But you should not.
So suppose if you meet a God and you have to ask one question. You have to ask one question. If you could ask one question from God, so which question would you like to ask? And why?
You know, all the words you seen, every person which is a most intelligent person, it's a human being, and human being does not follow their rules. They don't follow their rules because they think different, and they'll want to go. If they are going somewhere, they go very fast. They by breaking the rules of government, and by breaking the rules, it creates a huge problem. Either you see in the market or any organization or environment or the government's road or anywhere. So first of all, I would like to say that we have to follow the rule, which is able to follow to not create the problem.
So two questions are left. The next question, if you could be any animal, so suppose if you just could be any animal, कोई अगर आपको जानवर बनना होता, so what would it be and why?
Okay, so I will tell you that I would like to be dog, because dog is a pet animals, and there is lots of animals which is a pet, but I like to dog to be a dog. It's a dog is a loyal animals and is a cute, and most of the people they pet that animals. They give lots of love, and it's a very helpful dog to all the person.
And the next question, what's your favorite hobby? Means whenever you are free, what do you like to do?
You know, when I joined this coaching recently, I had no any hobbies, but I used to think that I would, if any games if I'm taking an interest in any game, that game I started to play, but I did not, but it was not my hobbies. I learned something from here. I and okay, I'm telling you. What is my hobbies? My hobbies is reading novels book, because when I was started novels book, I got lots of things, and I learned many things by novels book. I encouraged myself to improve towards the goals. That's it.
So you are facing camera first time?
Yeah, I am facing camera first time. That's why I am speaking with the stuck.
So how are you feeling today?
Today I am feeling very good. And I said that I did not speak well. If you are watching this video, also it will be boring for you. But it's the first time I was facing this problem.
So what did you learn today from this session, from this activity? What did you learn?
Today I learned that if I have to shoot any video, I can face all the camera easily.